Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have one of our favorite affordable beauty subscriptions to unbox and review in this video. As you might have already guessed, it's the April Euphorbia Box priced at just Rs 248 for 1 month subscription, and their long-term subscriptions are even more affordably priced. Shipping charges are flat 42 rupees, and since we missed the last month, they brought the Women's Day celebration in their April edition. This is their 6 months edition and it includes 4 full-size products worth a total of whooping 2248 rupees. I'm totally excited, so let's quickly open and see what all we got. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. So this is how the package has reached me this time. This itself is unique and different. It says O Womaniya for the month of April. This is the theme, and here it shows a woman who does so much with so many hands, and that is so true. Women are so multitasking. They handle so many things together, but yet they manage everything pretty well. Here is the website address mentioned. It says order at euphorbiabox.com. So this is how the Euphorbia box looks like. This is the same as before, a white cardboard box with the logo and Euphorbia box mentioned on it. It has reached me in perfect condition, so let's open it. Oh, we have a pouch inside this time. That's new and quite good actually. And it's a big pouch like this, and you can use it for storage and all. I will specially use this for carrying my shoes while I'm traveling. Seems perfect for that. Oh my god, there's a pouch as well. So this month Euphorbia Box has sent a pouch like this, and it's a beautiful pouch, very good quality. As you can see, it has this PU material and it is in a mix of tan brown and black color. Beautiful pouch, and here Euphorbia is encarved on it, so it is not very visible also, so you can definitely use it as a clutch or something, or as a travel pouch. And here are all the products. Let's go through them one by one. This is how the inside of the pouch looks like. This is also pretty good. Actually, it's quite a good quality one. So let me start with the star product this month. This is the Good Soap Glow Elixir Gentle Hydration for Daily Harmony with Balancing Oils. It is a 10 ml elixir, and in the ingredients it has base oils, blends of organic EO of essential oil, that is of lavender, tea tree, geranium, eucalyptus, blue chamomile and vitamin E. So many good ingredients. Here are some claims of the product, and the cost of this product itself is 1299 rupees, guys. That's almost 1000 rupees more than what you pay. So here it says shake well before use, and the directions for use are there. Let us see the packaging. Wow, the packaging is also quite good. This is how it looks and I really like it. Here it says naturally balancing, calming and hydrating face serum for problem oily blemished skin and T-zone. Organic content and natural vitamin E to help skin find its balance, light, fast absorbing and non-clogging. That is quite good. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. This is how the consistency is. It is like a nice light oil, and it has a good fragrance too. I did like the fragrance. I think the base oil, that is the carrier oil used for the essential oils, is coconut oil, because I am getting a bit of coconut oil fragrance in this. Looks like a really promising product. I'm definitely very happy to receive it. Then the next product is a makeup product from 7 Seas, and this is the long lasting HD lip gloss. Packaging is pretty good, and the cost of this product is $3.99, used before 1/2021. This is the shade I have received. This is how the doe foot applicator looks like, the basic one. So even though it says gloss, this is actually a liquid lipstick, and this is how the shade I received looks like. It's a beautiful pink shade with a little bit of mauve undertones, and it is a bit bright but not too bright as well, so it will give you a nice pop of color. Looks kind of a happy and summery color, but not too bright for darker skin tones as well. So I feel this is a beautiful shade. I did like it, and it dries to completely matte finish, which I absolutely love. I have used a matte lipstick from this brand, I received it in a Euphorbia box itself earlier, and that was of really good quality. And this is also very pigmented. The color payoff is really good. The texture also is very creamy. So I'm truly glad to receive this liquid lipstick. Then next we have a product from Aranyam, and this is a nail and cuticle health cream. It says a natural recipe for rejuvenation of the nails, cuticles and skin surrounding nails, improves the overall nails health. The price of this product is 300 rupees, used before 18 months from February 2018, and here are the directions for use. The ingredients are also mentioned here. It has coconut oil, sesame oil, castor oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, mango butter, beeswax and geranium essential oil. Let's have a look at the product. This is how it looks. It is like a very thick consistency cream, almost like a lip balm. It has a nice fragrance, a bit of minty fragrance as well, and I'm really happy to receive something like this. I do not have anything like this. It is completely a new product. I do like receiving such products which I do not have, rather than holding the same kind of products at my house. So this is definitely a great addition. I am very happy with this product. Coming up with such unique products is quite difficult on the part of boxes, but Euphorbia has done quite a good job at finding a good essential product for us. And then finally we have this earring, which are Meenakari tassel earrings worth 250 rupees. So this is how the earrings look like. It is in a combination of mint and red color, very good combination, and looks very quirky and stylish. I really like the colors. Mint color is really pretty. Now apart from this, we have a card here that says women are all this beautiful, happy Women's Day. Here it says you're entitled to a complimentary organic and handcrafted soap from goodsoap.in, and this is applicable on all orders above 1000 rupees. And finally we have the info card. It says O Womaniya, that is our theme this month, and in the background there are so many roles mentioned: sister, wife, daughter, mother, all these things that a woman is. We have skipped the Women's Day, but we cannot skip the importance of women in our life. That is really true. So they have come up with the edition in April, and here are the product prices mentioned. We already saw all the prices on the product itself. So those are the 4 products in the April Euphorbia box. I am definitely very happy with the contents at such an affordable price tag of just rupees 248. The Glow Elixir from Good Soap is an expensive product, and it seems quite promising from the ingredient list. So that itself makes the box worth buying. But apart from that, we have a makeup product, a matte lipstick, a piece of jewelry, and I also like that I got something unique, that is the nail and cuticle cream. So that was definitely another great addition in the box. I love the pouch this month. They have started including pouches, and that was so good quality at such an affordable price tag. The overall packaging, even the outer packaging, everything has been improvised. So big thumbs up to that. It is obviously more than value for money, and I would totally recommend this box to you all. If any of you like the box too and are interested in ordering it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below. So make sure you check it out. I have 2 amazing giveaways running on my channel, so make sure you check them out. All you need to do is be a subscriber of my channel, and you might be the lucky winner of an entire April edition Zo bag or Zo bag mini containing products worth almost 3000 rupees. So make sure you check out those giveaway links and participate there. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.